Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video as a request for a commentator that commented on my last video on how to wind a bobbin, and I showed you on two different types of machines how you do that. So I was getting ready to clean up my area because I had to go run some errands right now, and I thought right now would be the perfect time to film that video. So I'll just give you some quick basic things here. There are some machines, some of the new ones, that you don't need to plug in a foot. It'll have like a thing here, and you can like once you put your fabric under and you put the foot down, it'll and you'll push a button, it'll automatically start sewing. And those are cool. You can also adjust the speed. You could go really slow or you could go really fast. But on most other general machines, you will need a foot. Let me pick this up. So I mean, basically it all plugs into it all plugs into the side. I'm sorry about it being wobbly. I'm not using my tripod. You know, give it power, and then your foot pedal down here. Just excuse everything, like, I'm sorry, everything's just bad right now. Dirty floor, dirty table. I was working on a project. So I mean, you'll turn on your machine because it won't operate any other way. And on my machine here, I don't have a speed control. Like I said, on some of the newer machines, it'll have a speed control too. So like if you press down super hard and give it all, all your force, it only sews at a certain speed. Or you can have it really high to where you press it and the thing just goes like, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind. But on most of the other general machines that do not have a speed control, you have to control the power of your pedal. Just like if you know how to drive, you know how you got to control the pressure. You're going 10 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour, and then you can go like 60 miles an hour. Like if you try to get there really fast, like it all depends on the pressure. So let me show this to you, so let me turn this off because I don't want my machine to run. So like with your foot, you just kind of give it a certain amount of pressure, like right there, that's probably a slow speed. And then if I wanted to go fast, I would just hold it down. This is a home weight machine. So even at maximum pressure, it sews at a medium pace. Because if you've ever used an industrial machine, those sew so fast. Like I've tried to work on an industrial machine when applying for jobs and stuff, and it just takes off, and I'm like trying to like keep the fabric still because it's just so fast. Like it just sucks it up. You know what I mean? So that's how I use the pedal. And then of course when you want time to clean up, you unplug everything. You just wrap it around itself. You definitely don't want your wires to get chewed on by animals. You don't want them to be stepped on and have the plastic expose the wires. Take good care of your pedals and they will take good care of you. This is just, like I said, this is a quick video. If you're the person that commented and I didn't cover something on this video, let me know. I'll make another one. But I hope I was able to help you with this quick tip.